Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this tutorial we'll be discussing newsletters. Now Obu John happens to be the person that is logging and he's the principal in the school system. Now if you the newsletter is created by using this particular dashboard here or sent by created using this particular dashboard here. In a situation whereby after some period in time in the school system, the principal can actually create a newsletter in form of a PDF or assign someone to create a newsletter, and that newsletter created as a PDF will contain all the major articles about um, how the school has been managed over the period of time and other occurrences in the school. Now once this newsletter is given to the principal has actually prepared a PDF for this newsletter. The principal can come here and create one for it. When he creates one for it, automatically an email should be sent to all members of staff, students and parents of those students, of all the students in the school system, so that everybody in the school system can actually know what is going on in the school system at that point in time. Now we are going to implement that by using this particular button here. When we click on a create newsletter, it's going to show us these things. Now this particular form, I'll have to fill it. For this newsletter, we can say that it's a monthly newsletter, and we're going to specify that it is let's say May 2018. We can just write it like that and it becomes a monthly newsletter, and we can upload a PDF onto the platform, and we can then publish it. When we click publish, then automatically it's going to be available to a member of staff. Now sent and being delivered, we have that it has been delivered to all the members, all the accounts that exist on the school platform, and that it's going to deliver as a message, as an email to their inbox. Now you can actually click on this to see the newsletter he just uploaded. You can click on this to see the newsletter he has uploaded, and you can click on this to actually create another newsletter. With this, we have come to the end of this video, and thank you for actually checking out this video, and make sure you subscribe to Scholars.